This method would work on Windows, Android phones, as well as iPhones. When you try to play a video and then you get this message which says can't play this video, and that's because your video is corrupted, I will show you now how to repair it. I'm making this video because of the comments by one of my viewers, which you can read for more information. So this is the file that's corrupted, and it's also in MP4 format. All you got to do is to install a program called VLC, which is available on Android, iOS, and Windows. So after opening the VLC program, go to the Tools tab, select Preferences, select Input/codecs. Here you should see a section called Damaged or Incomplete AVI file. Change this option to Always Fix. Then select Save, close VLC media player. Now when you open the video file, VLC should automatically fix it and you should be able to now play the video again. Please let me know in the comments if this method worked for you and on which device, as well as what was your video's format, such as MP4 or any other file type. If you still have any questions, please let me know in the comments.